Hmm. Okay, the state is here. Oh, let me hang on 2 seconds. I'm echoing. All right, council, it's about 2:15. I need to be moseying along here. We waited. So what's going on?
Your Honor, in a breakout room, I had inquired with the state about seeing their physical file, and they made it available for me electronically viewing. I reviewed a police report with Monica Godetto's client. I'm appearing today for Monica Godetto. She's still in a week-long trial in Comal County. And last week, she was in trial here in Bear County in County Court 13.
Right.
And after speaking with Ms. Garcia, she read her report, but there's parts in the report that she would like to see if it aligns and matches with the video. And it appears that she was not able to schedule an appointment with Monica. And depending on what she sees in the video, will determine whether she will enter into a plea or whether it will be set for trial. And we're seeing if perhaps something short, less than 2 weeks, if we could make an appointment with her, have her watch video, we can let you know the disposition, what would it be for this case.
No.
And at this time, she would not be accepting a plea offer. It would have to go to trial.
All righty, we'll set this matter for trial. Because we've been going around with this plea thing and it was reset for this particular 2 weeks for you guys to be able to determine that. Ms. Garcia, the matter has to be resolved. So the attorneys have been showing up and showing up and showing up, and you have been, as far as the court time is concerned, it needs to be resolved. I think that everybody has worked with you. So let's go ahead and get this matter resolved. And it will be, this is going to be specially set and it will be a trial, period.
And Judge, if I may inquire, in the event that a plea is agreed, would you accept a jury waiver form? If you were to accept a plea prior to trial, if she waived trial with the proper form, would you permit her to enter into a plea?
We're here to go ahead and plead. I have been here waiting on this particular case since way before 11 o'clock. At 10 o'clock, she informed the deputy that she was on her way here. So here we are almost at 2:30. I'm not trying to say, hey, you have your right, but she was set. This has been set how many times and reset how many times? And usually it's 1, 2, 3 in this court. And I'm just not going to, we'll keep playing this game. We were supposed to plead this out before, on the 8th of July, 2022. Okay, she's been late to the court several times. No, let's set it for trial and go to trial. Okay. And trial start on the 13th. Okay, and we'll have, if you wish to come, and we don't need a trial announcement session. This is it right here. We're going to be setting it for trial and we'll come in on the 13th and have a trial on this matter.
And is that September 13th?
September 13th is a Tuesday. That's when I have my jury. And need to be here by council, you could get here about 8:30, 10:30, 10:30, 11 o'clock to go ahead and take care of any logistics. If you need to set anything for a hearing, set it for a motion. You can set it for motion in limine or any of that. We need that to hear that on the 12th. Okay.
Yes, Judge.
And so on the 12th, we'll go ahead and hear any matters that we need to. Then on the 13th, ma'am, you need to be here. Your client needs to be here by 8:30 in the morning. And counsel, you can show up about by 10:30, 11 o'clock. The jury walks in about 12:30.
12:30. Understood.
And we'll start voir dire at 12:30 and we'll need to be done by 2 o'clock, 2:30, so that I can do my afternoon docket.
All right, I'll let Monica Guerrero know.
I'm sorry, Judge, that was for the 13th.
Yes, ma'am.
Thank you, Judge.
And state should be here, down here around about 10:30, 11 o'clock. So you guys can do any final conferring on what you need to go ahead and do. But the jury walks in at 12:30. We'll start voir dire at 12:30.
Okay. And Judge, I'm sorry, if I may be permitted to just let Mr. Stateson know that this offer will expire on September 8th. And we'd be happy to give another offer, but it will not be as generous as this one.
Understood.
Today is let's get on record. Bring your client up. Court is going to call. Counsel, bring your client up, please. Court is going to call cause number 628-736, State of Texas versus Ana Marie Garcia. Parties, please approach and identify who's before the court, starting with the state.
Ling Han for the state.
Joseph Stateson covering Monica Guerrero's case. Client is Ana Marie Garcia.
Are you Ana Marie Garcia?
Yes, ma'am.
Let the record reflect that the defendant is in the courtroom with her attorney. Council, we're here for a plea this afternoon. This matter should have been pled this morning. And we waited and reset for you guys to come in at this afternoon. Ms. Garcia was late this morning. And then late this afternoon. I do not expect you to be late. And again, I've gone ahead and this is a second warning. Next time, you will be sitting in the jury box. Are we ready to go ahead and proceed to a plea?
Plea
This
will not,
afternoon, sir.
plea will not be taken today, Your Honor. Ms. Garcia does not choose to enter into a plea at this time.
And so we're setting this matter for trial, sir?
It will need to be resolved by trial.
Okay. And state, this matter is going to be set for trial. And the trial date is, and you're ready to proceed to trial? Defense?
I'm not able to check Monica Guidetto's schedule, but I will let her know that the court and the prosecutor have a trial date of September 13th, 2022, Tuesday.
Okay.
If that is an issue, Monica Guidetto may file a continuance.
State? You ready to proceed to trial on the 13th?
Yes, Judge, state is ready.
Oh. 13th of September, 2022. All righty. Ms. Garcia, you'll be here at 8:30 in the morning. Your attorneys may show up around about 10:30. The jury is going to come in at 12:30 p.m. and that's when we're going to start selecting a jury. It's called four-dia process, okay? All righty. So, and State, you wanted to, on record, tell the advise the defense regarding the plea, the offer that the plea offer that has been conveyed.
Yes, Your
Okay.
Honor, an offer has been conveyed.
Right, you wanted to advise them regarding expiration?
Yes, that the offer previously extended will expire on September 8th, 2022. And any subsequent offer that may be extended thereafter is going to contemplate being either a longer term supervision and or increased fine, community service hours.
Current offer expires on the 8th of September.
Yes, Your Honor.
And at 5 o'clock PM or noon or what?
I'll say at 5 p.m.
And we would go to trial next week, defense, but it's a judicial conference. That's the only reason that you're getting the week afterwards, okay, defense?
Yes,
You
Judge.
understand that?
Yes, ma'am.
If it wasn't for that, you would have been going to trial on Tuesday.
Yes, ma'am.
Alrighty? Alrighty, so
Understood.
Yes, ma'am.
anything that you need to file that needs to be heard, let's set it for the 12th Monday to hear it, okay?
Understood, Your Honor.
Alrighty, great. Thank you so much for your time and you're excused. Or let's state, do you have anything further on this matter?
I'm sorry, Judge, what's happening on the 12th?
I said, if there's anything, any motions that they need to file or to have heard, same with you, State, we'll hear it on the 12th,
Okay,
okay?
Understood.
Other than that, anything further?
Nothing from defense.
State, anything further?
nothing from the state.
Alrighty, thank you very much, your excuse.
Thank you
Oh,
for your service.
hang on. Not a problem. Thank you. Hang on, let me give you a reset form. State, I think that takes care of it for today, okay? You guys have a great long weekend.
Thank you, Judge.
Stay safe.
Fair enough. Thank you.
All righty, thanks. And of course, without question, you know, she's going to go ahead and plead. That's going to happen right then and there on either the 12th or
I
and the
I
13th.
understand. Thank you, Your Honor, for keeping that option open.